Okay guys, today I want to talk to you about the sales debrief. Okay, so basically if you have a success session that didn't convert for either several reasons, I need to talk to my husband, or the price was too high, or they were just coming just to inquire about information rather than get a sale, this stuff needs to be recorded, because if it's recorded, we can make adjustments between either the salesman or the person on the front end, which is Ruby, our outbound call center manager. So because of that, let's just go through this. So north and south, right, depending on what location you're at. So let's just say that I didn't convert. So I'm William Savoy. I met with Brittany Jackson. The data, and if you see this, just go ahead and click OK. I met with Brittany Jackson. It's 3/1/2020. Name of salesman is William. That lead, now this information right here, you can either get it from, you need to get it from the KPI tracker, whatever it says. However, I knew Brittany Jackson was an LEM lead because in the meeting I asked how she found out about us. What was their most impactful aspiration? She wanted to lose weight. What was the prospect's most impactful affliction? Why couldn't she reach her goal? Super busy schedule. Remember, the affliction is the thing that's keeping them from reaching their goal, right? So she wanted to lose weight. She has a super busy schedule, and that's her affliction. Her affliction is a super busy schedule, which keeps her from working out in the gym. She's coming to us to work out, and hopefully the schedule works. My affliction can also be, it could be money. It could be, not sure where to work out. It can be several different things, but in her case, she was just super busy schedule. And then the outcome. The outcome is she had to think about it. She had to think about it and needed to talk to husband. Now, the real reason that people say this is because, they're not sure, don't have the money about the price, or to be honest, the salesman didn't impede enough value into the consultation to make the person convert. There wasn't enough value given. So I'll discuss that in another video, but this is how you're filling this out. Name, data success session, salesman, lead source, what they're trying to do, what keeps them from doing that, and then if the reason is no, that they didn't convert, why? And always this goes back, this no is always, there's just not enough value given in the success session to make them spend their dollars. The salesman did a bad job of adding value to make them spend their money. So we'll go through this and rock and roll from there. Thank you.